Dive into the world of Java with a quick look at relational operators. In just 60 seconds, grasp the essence of these crucial tools. 6 primary relational operators exist in Java: greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These operators are pivotal in comparing two values. For instance, the greater than operator checks if the value on its left is greater than the one on its right. Similarly, the equal to operator verifies if two values are identical. Understanding relational operators is fundamental in crafting conditional statements. It's the bedrock of decision-making in your code. With them, you can control the flow of your program, making your software more dynamic and responsive. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, exercise your newfound knowledge and